Good morning everyone, this is Neeraj Kumar, your English teacher. Today I am here to continue passive voice. As the last time we were discussing about passive voice of past continuous. Today we will be discussing about passive of past perfect. So at first, passive helping verb, that is had been. When we people are going to make passive voice of past perfect. So had been is the helping verb. Now I just make you understand by having examples. Please pay attention. He had completed. He had completed his homework. Passive voice. His homework had been completed. His homework had been completed by him. So my dear students, first I have taken an active sentence. Now here I have made passive voice. His homework had been completed by him. उसका होमवर्क किया जा चुका था उसके द्वारा. I hope you must have understood. Let us move ahead. Here, this time I'll be taking negative sentence. They had not won that match. They had not won that match. Passive voice. That match had not been won. That match had not been won by them. So this time I have taken negative sentence, as you can see at the board. They had not won that match. Now passive voice, that match had not been won by them. So this was negative sense. Now let us move ahead. This time I will be taking first type interrogative. Had you teacher? Had your teacher? Had your teacher told you? Had your teacher taught you this topic? Now passive voice. Had this topic been taught? Had this topic been taught? Had this topic been taught to you? Had this topic been taught to you by your teacher? So my dear students, please just have a look. This time I have taken first type interrogative. Started, had your teacher told you this topic. Now passive voice, had this topic been taught to you by your teacher. So this was in interrogative sense, first type interrogative sense. Now let us move ahead. Second type interrogative. Had they watched? Had they watched that movie? Now passive voice. Had that movie had that movie been watched? Had that movie been watched by them? So again, I have taken first type interrogative. Had they watched that movie? So had that movie been watched? It is first type interrogative. Started with helping verb. Had they watched that movie? Had that movie been watched by them? This time I will be taking second type interrogative. Please just have a look. Why had you wasted? Why had you wasted? Why had you wasted your time? Why had you wasted your time? Question mark. Now passive voice. So my dear students, let's make passive. So our active sentence is, why had you wasted your time? Why had your time been? Why had your time been wasted? Why had your time been wasted by you? So please just have a look. Why had you wasted your time? Question mark. Now passive voice. Why had your time been wasted by you? So this was second type interrogative. Now let us move ahead. Why had your class teacher punished you? P-U-N-I-S-H-E-D. Punished you. Why Why had you been? Why had you been punished? Why had you been punished? Why had you been punished by your class teacher? So my dear students, please just have a look. Active sentence. Why had your class teacher punished you? Why had you been punished by your class teacher? Question mark. So something that I have taught you related passive voice of past perfect. Here it ends. I hope you must have understood passive voice of past perfect. Alright, so I'll be sending you sentences just to make passive voice in PDF form. Thank you very much.